Hi, I'm Pam Ryder, and I am here to share a short meditation with you with the intention of giving you some tools to restore you from anxious, overwhelmed, frustrated, high intensity emotional states to present, peaceful, and powerful. So I invite you to just sit up wherever you are. You can sit on a chair or a couch or on the floor, cross-legged. But just let your spine be really nice and tall. Take your fingertips and press them together, and then allow your hands to just rest in your lap with your fingertips touching. Let your shoulders relax and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And imagine bringing that breath up from the base of your pelvis. Sigh it out, let it all go. Now close your eyes and just let your breath return to normal. And witness the breath as it enters the rims of your nostrils. And it expands down the back of your throat into the bottom lobes of your lungs. And witness the pathway of your breath from the bottom lobes of your lungs and out through your nasal passages. Noticing the slight flare of the rim of your nostrils as the breath moves through your body. Now notice your feet, the soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, your toes and the spaces between your toes. And let your awareness drift upwards to your ankles, your shins, your calves, your knees, the spaces behind your knees and your kneecaps. And pull your attention upwards to your thigh bones. The thigh bones, the muscle, the skin encasing your thighs, your whole thighs. And then to your pelvis, your pelvic bowl, the base that you sit on. Notice the structure of the pelvic bowl. And then your organs resting in your pelvic bowl. Bring your attention just to behind your belly button and witness the rising and falling of your abdomen with each one of your breaths. Now walk the fingers of your mind up in and around your chest, behind your heart, left and right of your heart. And notice any points of tension or bits of stuck energy. And rather than resisting them, can you simply notice, see what size this tension is, what shape, its density, its diameter, its specific placement in your body. And can you just allow it to be, maybe even embrace and welcome all that is here? Nothing to do or shift or figure out here. Just simply notice what is present without resistance. Now draw your awareness upwards to the hollow at the base of your throat and feel the breath as it passes over the hollow at the base of your throat. And slide your awareness across your collarbones to the tops of your shoulders, down your upper arms to your elbows, from your elbows to your wrists, from your wrists to the palms of your hands, and finally to the tips of your fingers where they touch one another. Put your attention solely on the tips of your fingers until you feel a pulsing, tingling, warmth, and energetic force of some kind. Now keep your attention on your thumbs till you feel the connection there, steady and strong. Index fingers, middle fingers, ring fingers, pinky fingers. And from the pinky to the ring, to the middle, to the index, to the thumb, and all 10 of your fingers touching, pulsing, generating the energetic life force that's within you, present at the tips of your fingers. Let your hands, your fingers be an anchor to right now where all is well. And slide your awareness up from your fingertips again to the hollow at the base of your throat. To your jaw, your ears, your lips, your tongue, heavy on the floor of your mouth, your teeth, the rims of your nostrils, your eyes in their sockets, and the crown of your head. Now let your awareness rest just at the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows. And see if you can notice an energetic sensation at the center of your forehead. And as you're noticing, just whatever arises, allow it to be. Let it come up, let it go. If thoughts arise, let them come. If emotions arise, allow them. And simply witness while paying attention to the space at the center of your forehead. Now bring your attention back to your breath. And breathe in fully and completely. And as you breathe out, count the number 1 in your head. 1, breathe out. Inhale fully. Exhale 2. Inhale fully. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Long breath in. Exhale 5. Now we'll count backwards. Inhale. Exhale 5. And breathe in slowly. Exhale 4. Breathe in. Exhale 3. Breathe in. Exhale 2. Last time, breathe in deeply. Exhale 1. And breathe slowly, normally. And take stock of your whole body from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, the space that is your body, a peaceful, powerful space, a space for wonderful things to occur, a space where possibility and miracles are generated from. Be restored, renewed, right here as you remember who you are and that all is well. Take a deep breath in. Let it out your mouth. And let your eyes flutter open, taking note of how you feel. Know that you can tune in to you and your physical body, your breath, anytime, and restore yourself to this natural state of peace and power. I wish you all well. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.